Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to search for gas stations on Google Maps. To do this, you have just to go open Google Maps, and as you can see on the top of the screen, there is that list that I'm moving. And on that list, as you can see, there is an option called gas. Click on it. And as you can see now, it will give you all the near gas stations to you. And also you can look on the map and you will find all the gas stations available everywhere. And also, if you couldn't find this option on the top of the screen, you can go and click on more and you will find it somewhere here. As you can see on services, you will find the option called gas. You can just click on it like we did and look even for the open now gas stations, etc. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.